Right. Good morning. Good morning. It is Thursday. All right. Back. Let's get ready for the open. Do some trading in. Hey, Brian, you around or David? We missed you yesterday. Yes, I see you were on here around 7. We didn't get on till about 8. We usually come on around 8 Eastern. A decent little evening yesterday, but it was quick. We didn't stay on very long. We made our money pretty fast. I'd like to catch that Asian Open at 8 o'clock Eastern. Yeah, you're about an hour too early there. Now this NQ just keeps going up. What do you guys think? Is this going to dump at the Open or
All right.
continue to pull back?
I think I'm gonna wait and see. Good morning.
Mm,
What's up?
Morning, morning. To get your issues
Dave.
fixed,
Issues.
get your issues resolved.
What are you talking about? Issues.
Oh, you're the one that you were having ninja issues. You and Ninja weren't
Oh
jiving.
yeah, we're just doing our normal little dance of start, restart until it works.
Till it just keep restarting until it works.
You know, that's the only. That's my technological, tech savvy approach to it. Running behind, had a bunch of crap going on this morning.
I missed the trade on. Oh man, I missed the breakout on. Oh well.
Gold?
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention this morning. I missed it.
What? Isn't it just now?
No, it was at. Well, I mean, I missed the break, which was at 02.5. And then I already moved. I guess it could get in late.
Oh, the short was the break.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah, the move already happened. Shoot, that was a nice move down.
well.
Do it with a really small wrist. Here
Look
we
at
go.
this.
Let's
I got a neck brace to fit me right this morning. I'm hurting. Grace. What are you doing? Come by and not say hey? So I had the AI like figuring out my camera setup and stuff yesterday or last night. And it was like, why don't you flip your desk around so it's your camera's facing away from your sliding glass door? And I was like, oh, what a novel concept. All that light coming in.
Imagine that.
What a novel concept. Dum da dum dum dum. Dum da dum dum dum. All right, let's see what we can get here with the open. Let's have some fun with this today. We're gonna make some mooner. Uh-oh. Whoa. Okay, so I got a problem with this. It's not closing some of my trades out.
The copier?
Yeah.
Not closing your trade out?
Okay, this is weird. It wants 27 in the trade. That doesn't make sense.
Use the restroom here before the open. Be right back.
Okay. All right, let's get some levels in here. We're going to end up with one right about now, right about where we're at. There's going to be another one probably right down here. I don't like that doesn't. I know there's definitely going to be one here. Okay, I don't need this being obnoxious. Blue's fine. I'm just gonna blue.
Push up here. We'll see. See what happens.
Let's see. We're gonna end up with a level here. Level right now. Okay, I don't like that it's making every line level. With yellow.
Just change it back. Just hit reset. Or make it blue.
Hit reset?
Yeah, if you just hit reset, it'll like go to right there. Yeah, hit restore reset right there. Now save that as.
Oh God.
I think you got to save that as a 10.
Yeah, this is too much stuff. This is too much crap.
No, just save it as 10. I mean, save it as default. Right there in the middle. There you go. There you go.
Oh God. All right,
Alright,
we should have added there. So that's an ad spot. We need to get in one.
Alright.
Let's buy one.
Oh crap, that's 2. Oh, that's fine. Get it there. Start it off. Get up there. There we go. I got in 2 there, but wait a minute. Oh crap, that was 5. Holy smokes. Alright, I'm out. Let's try that again. 1. That was a mess. I got in with 5 contracts. Worked out though. No problem.
Actually, hold tight here.
Oh,
Hold tight
man,
here. Hold on a second.
look at
We need to walk through this real quick. I'm gonna put a little target up here. I don't know why this is not showing on my truck. Okay, let's do it on this one. So the only thing that concerns me here is we look at this. The NQ's down, ES is up, so we're kind of mixed here. But I'm gonna follow the ES.
He's about to turn though.
As long as the ES stays up, we're gonna get in this long. So I'm gonna be 1 long now. Okay, I'm just gonna go in the market here. one, and then we're gonna buy again where we came from here. Yesterday's all-time high at around 84.25. If we get a chance to do that, obviously we make a new high, we buy one there. That's part of my rules. So let's get an 84. I want to say 84.25, something like that. Get that in. I'm gonna space the next one out pretty far just to be safe. Let's go back. I mean, we bought last night here. No, did we buy here last night? It was higher. So yeah, we were buying here last night, right? Oh yeah, we did buy there last night.
I don't know, I can't see, it's covered.
Yeah, we were buying here last night. So we'll do one more here. 80.75, yeah. Okay. And let's I'm just gonna be safe, conservative on this. Let's target out of this just to reset up here. We can always buy. You know.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, I'm talking about, let's target out of that up there. We can always buy it again later. I mean, but this is new. Hold on a second. Hold please. Let me take a look at this on a huge tick chart and say, look at that level right there. That's a yellow level. That's a yellow level. Yeah, kill it. Let's kill that.
I'm out.
You're out of it?
You said kill it, right?
Well, I was gonna say kill the. All right, never mind. I gotta kill it too since you did. I was gonna say kill the target. Is what I was gonna say. Kill the target. Don't. You people jump. People jump so fast. Who said white man can't jump? Paul did. All right. So.
I'm listening in one ear and looking at NQ in the other, so I heard kill it.
How do I select the load? Let's use
profit, not complaining.
What the fudge? Now I don't have a yellow line? This is annoying. Wait. And I have to check these off and make them go through every... Oh my god.
No, that should...
No, I'm looking for it. We did this yesterday. Load. I don't see yellow in there.
Did you save it?
Yeah, you saw me do it yesterday.
No, you say that as default, you have to save it as like a template. You want to change it.
Dude, I named it yellow.
Oh, I don't remember that. Oh crap, missed the breakout on the NQ. Alright. See what NQ does above here.
Why do I have to save it as... Well, but I don't want it to be default.
You don't have to, just save it as yellow.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Oh god, so stupid.
Oh, he just keeps going. Oh man, did I miss that gold trade? Ooh, dummy.
Those are my big tick chart levels. Now let's get down here and actually let's get some work done. All right, there's another buy right there. So let's go ahead and get that on. On this chart, another buy. So we should be buying like right right at right here is where we should be buying. But I'm gonna hold off on this because again, well, the EQ's moving up, so this is a buy. Let's get that one in. Get one more in. I'll buy this, and then again, same as before. Back down here, 84, and then I'm gonna skip another one this time. Just give us plenty of room here. So 70, 84, and 78, 84, like 84, 50, and 78. And so this is actually going to turn into a level right here, it looks like. So this will probably be a buy spot if we push up further. Again, we can just take, look at this. I have a yellow line here and a yellow line here now. That's cool. I have a zone, baby. Look at that.
In the zone. You're in the zone.
Well, that's one. I love it. Look at this. All these other ones are like, there's another zone with my yellow lines. That's so cool. Look at that. There's that too. How did I already know with the smaller tick chart that these were going to be big levels? That's pretty cool, isn't it? Again, down here, same thing. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
That I knew that those were going to be big levels. Just by looking at small tick. That's how you know your levels, people. I wish Tom were here. You guys get to know your levels like that. All you gotta do is do what I'm doing now. So now we know this is a big level right here, so we're happy adding here again. Now, but obviously my line in the sand today's got to be all the way down here, like 68. So, but now we know that we can put a level in here. This will be an add spot for us coming up. We probably have something in the middle here, but that's okay. So now, since we're overextended here, we can do we add above at a new all-time high? I mean, that's in my rules, so I should probably do it, right? Rules say you make an all-time high, you add, so.
Nice trade. Nice trade.
This just makes trading easy.
Got R1 in this thing. Let's go.
All right. Let me see here. Well, we're only up already like, what, 60, 70 bucks. Yeah, that's the rule that I have. You go to an all-time high, and you add, or a true breakout scenario is an add for us. That's part of the rule set. So, I mean, we take true breakout trades using bigger tick charts. This is a true breakout trade, right? Now we need to add here now. This will be an add if it comes back down here. And obviously, that level. Now our new line in the sand is one of these two levels right here. We don't go below this or we kill it. So now we have our a set in stone. Now we should probably take profit on this right now, to be honest with you.
We're thinking the same thing. I give this back.
All right,
It's good,
all right,
good
here's
profit.
what we're gonna do. Hold on. This is it. This makes stuff easy. We'll just put a little stop in here. Put ourselves a little stop right there, and then if it hits a stop, we just reset everything back down here. That's all there is to it. We'll go up a couple ticks on the stop there. All right, let's trade some. There's looks like a short coming up here on the NQ. A lot of wicks on the bottom there. That looks like a breakout to the long side, to be honest with you, but that's your call, bro.
Honestly, I'm watching the. You got me focused on the ES.
Dude, I got the ES. Just.
I know. Well, I'm listening to you talk. It's hard to do both. Yeah. I mean,
Target off. I took the long. I couldn't resist it. I was like, this is a breakout, dude. And I saw a W on that. I saw the W here. Like, the W formed here on the why not day.
I took it.
Oh gosh, get this target out of here. We can get all-time high on this puppy. Squeeze my stop up there. Oh, it's too tight on the stop. Get back a little bit. Come on. There we go. somewhere like right there.
Got target off, but I don't think I'm going to get much more.
You got it. No, this puppy's running. The ES just hit all-time highs, and we're long too. So now we have to put a target here on the ES. Put your target in. Let me get this out of the way. Put your target in here on the ES, people. Right about here, we're going to put a sell limit. Maybe we should have taken it a little bit sooner, but that's fine. It's going to come up here and grab us anyway, so we'll be good there. We can lose a stop now because we got 2 on. Or we could just stop it there too. I mean, but that's not a winner. So we're going to take a little smaller target there, and then I don't know why that I have a yellow. Oh, because this needs to be blue. Really, I need to take that off this chart. We don't have this isn't established yet. Let's get rid of that. We just don't have this quite established as a strong level yet, but I'm sure it's going to be in the future, considering that it was a prior all-time high. Now, let's take the stop up on the NQ to my mind's working today, Paul. 594 stop on the NQ. There you go.
Working.
I don't know how to do it better than this.
Oh my gosh, look at that gold. Oh
my gosh, look at these.
And now we're going to trade it for real today with 2 contracts.
All you had to do was call it. No shoulda, coulda, wouldas.
I should have just chased it. I missed it. I wasn't paying attention.
Dude, it was sitting right there with the structure.
Yeah, too. I mean, but we'd already had the pop down and reverse back up. I thought, that might be all it gets because we've been in a range. I didn't know it was going to break the range down.
Ooh.
Oh, shoulda, woulda, coulda. All right, we're making money everywhere else, right?
Big popping.
Big popping.
Look at this. This is how you do this, man. That's the way you do it. Play the guitar on the MTV. That's the way you do it. Your money for nothing and your chicks for free. All right, let's see. I am fond now of this. I'm pretty fond of the trade copier.
Are you using it or not?
Yeah, with 4 accounts.
Nice. That works well. Makes for a good day.
Sure do, Tater. It sure do, Tater. Play the guitar on the MTV. That's the way you do it.
Decent pull back here.
This all right. Let's get our stop up here on the MQ to. We're gonna get to 605 now, I think, or 606, something like that. And let this puppy keep rolling. I think we're gonna hit all-time highs. I'm trying to be aggressive on this target, but if you really need a good target, probably right here around 633 is a good one. But I'm gonna get up here, back here.
I was gonna say, keep on going.
And now we can squeeze our stop up here to our stop and go to 620. 620, dude. Whoa.
There you go. All-time highs, here they come again.
It's gonna hit my target before I move it. Oh, squeeze my stop. I want to be right behind that last swing there. All right, that's
great money.
$115 here. Well, I'm gonna close this trade out because we're up $100 and something now.
Yeah, that's a pretty good trade, ain't it?
Yeah, I mean,
definitely don't want to give any of that back.
No, I don't want to. If this is really gonna be an area, we can always reload. So let's put the stop in here. I hit my target. Look at that, nailed. Oh, I nailed my stop. Sorry. So on this one, let's just put a couple stops in. Oh wait, we're at 1. Oh, it hit our target. Never mind. Screw that. We're not putting a stop in. Actually, yeah, because if it breaks back down, we can reload. So let's put our stop in, guarantee profits, and then we can always do the same thing. Because I think this would be a reload area right now, to be honest with you, but I can't do that at new highs, you know. Because if it breaks this structure, then
go.
Yeah. So what was it? Nice little target I put in there on the NQ, huh?
Oh yeah.
Beautimus.
Money, money, money.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, wow, that was a $164 trade. But on the NQ, it'd been a $1,600 trade. I'm like, screw you. Get the F out of here.
But it would have been though.
On the NQ, it'd been a $1,600 trade. Piss off. Yeah, and it would be a $600 loss too. Let's see, 72 entry would have been 500-ish. So what's that? 28 points on the NQ and 2 contracts is what?
Your contract's 28 points, so 400, 500 up, 500 bucks.
So it'd be a $500 loss. That's a good risk reward rate. So a
$600
dumbass would
loss.
be like, "That's a great risk reward ratio, except for $500 you can blow up your PA."
600. Actually.
That's how people like. That's how people like Lawrence lose money all the time. Oh no, that's a good risk reward ratio. You dumbass, stop doing that. All right, I'm gonna stop being so mean.
I've never seen anything like that. That's you're on full addiction and gambling.
No shit, right?
I mean, that man blew through so many accounts.
Golly.
Listen, if you're on like eval number 750,
Which he is, he was.
probably need to ask yourself a question whether or not this is the right thing for you.
No kidding. If you spent, we did the math on this. Like even if you bought every single eval on sale, 600 evals.
No, it was like 700 something. I
Yes,
think.
well, I'm trying to be conservative for this guy. 700 evals times, I don't know, what, 19 bucks, 20 bucks.
Just make it 20 bucks. Let's
20
just say
bucks.
what you probably make more. But
$14,000
That's a
on
nice little cash account.
evals. That's a cash account and money to pay me to teach you how not to do stupid shit like that. Oh my god! And then it was like 100 and something PAs he blew up. So that's
Oh yeah, not telling how many PAs.
200 PAs. So that's 14,000, and then 200 PAs blown up times what?
It was
Let's
close
call
to
it
50 grand is
$140.
what he said, I think. 50 grand. Somewhere in that area is what he was telling. That's just insane. I'm like, dude, at what point do you have to say, whoa, stop?
Yeah. It's 14,000, 30,000 on PAs. That's $44,000
Yeah.
that he has spent on gambling with the safe way not to use my money. Dude, $44,000 is an account you can trade with, bro.
That's a hell of an account to trade with.
My goodness. Don't do that. What else am I supposed to do? Okay, do this. Do what we're doing right now. You'll never freaking blow an eval up. Ever.
Yeah, but he wants that pass in one day and get paid in two, and that doesn't. There's no
It doesn't.
consistency.
No, you can't do that. That's not how.
You can't.
That's not how it works.
You're gonna get the results easy.
Yeah, you're gonna. Well, you gotta be able to sling. You got to be hedging, using multiple prop firms. You've got to be smarter than what he did. You can't. Like you can do it, but you've got to throw $5,000 into it. Know that every stage of the game you're going to be cutting half of your accounts off because you're going opposite directions.
Right.
And you'll get a paycheck, guaranteed that way. Guaranteed.
Yeah, but you'll be willing to put up a lot of money to get it.
You're gonna, yeah. There's a way to do it, and then you risk getting caught doing it that way too.
A lot of those YouTube guys, that's how they do it. That's exactly how they do it.
All right, hold
Hedge
tight.
against
Oh,
other
I know that's exactly how to do it. It's the easy way. I mean, I can. Do we add here? This is supposed to be a new ad spot, but I don't. I'm more being a little bit more conservative. As we had this fireworks out of the gate, and we're pausing right now, not going anywhere. I don't like that.
Yeah, this might be the
I'd rather start buying again. That's what I was about to say. I think this is a little bit of a short. We missed it a little bit, but I'd like to see.
I can take a short here.
I'd like to see. Let's see where my levels are on this NQ today. All right. Can you write these down for me? So so I don't have to go to my other chart and do it. We definitely are going to have a level somewhere around this late day doji low and those highs from the other day. So that's going to sit around, let's see what this low is. Around 470, so 470, 24, 470. I know it's way away from where we're at. We are going to be looking at a level somewhere about where we're at right now. So that's around 629, 639. Let's do some relative prices. I need to use a smaller chart. Let's go down to this guy. Oh, there's not great levels here. Yeah, ES made really clean levels. There's still definitely going to be one around this. What is that? 520-ish. There's going to be a level. 520.
Good morning, Tom.
29.5. Let's see, 520. Okay, I can get down with that. There's stuff around here. There's a good wick there. So yeah, about 530, right around 530 is gonna be level. I'm just gonna do this while waiting on the trade.
This NQ is going to be short below 620, I think.
You have to just tell me again because I'm working.
okay.
I'm working, bro. One of us has to work.
I hear you working. I'm
One of
trying
us
to
has
pay
to-
attention to you and trade at the same time.
No, you pick. I'll give you the stuff. And I just found this level. I'm looking at these little tiny wicks coming off here. So there's gonna be a level around 573. And this is all Globex stuff, so I don't have any data to go on. So I'm gonna look at where we stopped originally when we came up here. So somewhere, this looks like it's gonna end up being a level. There also looks like there's going to be a level back here where we're stalling right now. I don't know which one's stronger yet. This is definitely going to be a level right here where we stalled. We're gonna save this one just because they like to be sneaky like that. So somewhere like right here around 628. And there's something in here I just can't see it. There's not enough information for me to get this one. When you get your levels down, you can do what we did today. That's easy stuff, people.
Oh, yeah.
Easy stuff. Dude, I'm up over $100 in all these accounts.
Me too. 145.70 to be exact.
Okay, this is weird.
I want to try this NQ only because I'm up. I'm going to try this short below 620 here.
Oh.
Few contracts.
Huh? What?
I said a short below 620 only because I got a, there you go. Target
Dude, you
off.
gotta call it before it gets there, bro.
Oh, you can get it now. You
No, man.
back to V1.
No. I'm not selling at six. I'm not gonna pull a Tom and sell at 600 when you got in below
You
6.
got VWAP. I had VWAP as a target.
Okay,
So.
but could I ask you please to let me know maybe just in time, just like I don't need very long, Paul, for you to say, hey, this is short. That'll give me like between you saying go short and me getting over there, but you can't call it when it's at 609.
I got in about 615. I said I'm gonna try this below 620.
Well,
But
that was when it was hitting 620, man.
Yeah, well, because I
All right, next
got
time.
VWAP.
Help me out next time. Give a brother a bone. All right, give a brother a bone.
It
Toss
was
me
just a
bone.
scout. Just a
That's
scout.
all right.
Well, not just a scout.
I would have taken it. I was down with that, man. All right, we reloaded.
We good.
We reloaded on the ES here. We'll just either let it get up here and put a stop in.
Now this could be your area here,
shoot.
Brian. What do you think
I
about
forgot to
this?
get
Could
the
be the
other accounts on.
pullback to go long on the NQ.
Yes, that's what I think it is. It's coming at VWAP 89 level.
Probably put one in here, maybe, right?
Yeah, I think so. This is
Start trading the levels again.
I mean, it's coming off a level. I like it. I don't know if I want to do 6 contracts, but I might do 2.
No. I just want just our same play. Not this isn't a.
I like it. I think we got some. I got some legs here. I mean, you know, this is what happens. I thought it would be a deeper pullback, but when you're pushing for all time highs, you tend to
Well, we
get.
hit 89 and the VWAP bounced right off it.
No, that Ed made a little W on the smaller tick chart.
And a little W on the smaller tick chart. Yeah.
You know, hopefully this is just a little pullback to thrust back higher. Again, I'm considering putting a stop back in below this structure. Actually, we should probably do that. Be conservative. Let's put another stop in below this little structure. Guarantee our profits.
Lock it in.
Yeah, I'm just being conservative because we can't push. It does. It just won't keep pushing. So it's got to push to all-time highs here for me to. I might just quit trading the MQ altogether because I'm doing so well with this.
You're doing so well in the EQ. Like I said, I'm so focused on taking your ES trades that
Yeah, right there. Let's get flat. This is gonna take us flat. Good.
I'm
That's fine.
all this. I'm not focused on NQ that much.
Now, I'm not sure I want to reload again this morning. So let's just sit and watch for a minute. We're not gonna get this NQ long that we want. Now, if you buy above, Tom, if you buy above this, here's your setup. Now you officially have a bona fide setup. You didn't have one before.
Bonafide.
Bona fide. You should have a buy stop sitting right above this, right above that midpoint right there. And if it breaks that this time, it should run up to at least where?
I mean, you'll get first target for sure.
Oh yeah, and this is guaranteed first target because it has to go to here.
Right.
Buy stop where?
Look at the structure
26.
and put it a couple ticks above the midpoint. No, I want him to figure it out.
Okay.
Look at the structure, a couple ticks above the midpoint. Tell me what that price is. Okay.
This is awesome.
My,
All my counts up over 150 bucks.
my only
Clean,
loss.
easy.
My only loss is on the NQ.
You lost on the NQ?
Yeah, it took that long, man. Here, watch. And it stopped me out. I should have stayed out of it because I saw that coming. But this made a nice little W here, right?
Oh.
Off the level. We talked about buying. I was like, yeah, it looks like a good buy. Didn't get the target. Turn around. I thought this was going to be a bigger W.
Gotcha.
And it just turned around and got me. Yeah, so that's a loss. That's just what you got to deal with sometimes.
We can kill that
Yeah, you
trade.
get that long. We got to short
That's
this.
not happening.
This is sit on the sidelines for a hot minute, broski. Damn. I'm going to have to switch that account to one of my ES ES stuff and make some money on it. Dude. Alright. $100, $108, $107, 53, 95, 164. Yeah. So, what do you want me to do? That's all I can say is that's how you do it, people. I don't know.
That's how you do it.
That's how you do it. All right, people. Let's see. David S4X. You good? Dan, you good? Gunter, good? Lulu, Jackap, Tom Hutch. AI Tom has a mic, so I can ask him over mic. Greg, Stretch, you guys doing good? Anybody, guys? Also, if you want me to do, we have a little $99. I don't know if you guys want it. You guys probably don't want it. You paid me a bunch of money already, but in the past. But for real though, I will do a one-on-one session with you, and walk you through getting into these MES trades. Because literally, like, we just printed $100 on 2 accounts in a matter of no time flat. That's $200. That one in Q trade was $164, and I got another 2 accounts that's around $96. So I don't know about you, but that's I'm tough at math. That's 4, 5. It's almost $600 this morning. I mean, I'll take that as a daily paycheck right now.
I'm more than that because I'm factoring in last night. So yeah.
Oh, not even factoring last night.
What'd you guys do last night?
About right at $200.
We're a little under $200. Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
We did it. We
180.
made it pretty quick last night.
Thanks to our dynamic sizing methodology. David, good. You're doing good. I'm serious, guys. I mean, and for and not holding David back or Greg, but for Stretch and Hutch, Jockap, Lulu, Gunter, you got Dan, you guys that are old Premier people. I'll do a training session for you guys for free. Sorry, I'm not trying to Greg, not trying to David, not trying to hold you guys back, but that was the agreement I made with those guys when they signed up for something in the past, and I try to hold that. So, Tom, you guys want that? We can schedule it. Dan, any of you guys want that training session? Let's. All right. I know Tom wants to do it. Gunter, okay. Stretch, Lulu, Jim, you guys. Tom, Hutch. Okay. All right. Let's what's today? Thursday? I got a couple meetings today, but I was planning on record. Oh, here, let's do this. I'm gonna record it today. You guys can sit in and listen to me record it. I'm gonna do Tom, AI Tom. I'm gonna do bias and the rules today in the recording. Is that cool with you?
Yeah.
I hope it is. Okay. Let me look at my calendar real quick. Well, I put it at 11:30, but then I had a meeting come up. Let's see here. No. Okay. Whenever we finish the morning session, I'm gonna go. Oh, did you see what I said last night? I can't go that far because I can't go that long without food because of the meds, Paul.
Mm-hmm.
I was looking
Yeah,
at
I saw
like,
that.
yeah, they're like, yeah, no, because I was like, hold on a minute, here's all the medicine I'm taking for this, and I want to fast, and the AI was like, no, you are not allowed to do that. You will pass out. You will have to go to the hospital because you won't be able to breathe. I was like, all
We
right,
don't
cool.
want that.
I was like, cool. I'll do it when I'm off the meds. I'll fast, but I'll keep up the intermittent fasting. I used to do that religiously.
Time restricted eating, that works.
Yeah, I used to do that religiously. I mean, all right, so I ate from 9 p.m. last night until like 11. 2 hours of eating, and then nothing until 9 p.m. again tonight.
I couldn't eat that late. I couldn't sleep like that late. My stomach would be so full.
Makes me sleep like a baby. I was so used to it. Like when for years when I was doing athletic stuff, that's the way I kept all my stuff running. Is I wouldn't eat for the entire day and eat everything in a couple hour period and sleep like a baby.
I like to have everything done by 7.
Well, that's because
Because
you're
it gives
old.
my body time to digest and everything before I go to
Doesn't your
bed.
body digest when you're sleeping?
Ah,
Don't you
yes.
get the most protein built when you're sleeping? That's my thought on it. It's just like
Well, but the problem
give it
is
all the
that
nutrients it needs to make
it's going to
stuff.
turn into a nutrition consult. The problem I mean, the problem with that is the energy required to digest. It affects your sleep because your body doesn't. It can't break. Your body can't shut down because it has to be processing the digestion.
Well, I feel like I sleep pretty good. I feel like I sleep like a baby. I had vivid dreams. Maybe I just trained my body to be used to it.
Could be.
Hey, you know what, guys? I don't have much to do right now because we're
I mean, yeah.
winning. Winning. I mean, we can start layering back in, but I don't want to do it on these two accounts. I'm going to switch to the other two that I've got. I'll do that. Actually, you know what? I'll do the one that I took that loss on, the NQ loss on. So let's go to, I'll just do one account. Let's do this. Switch your accounts. If you're following me on this, switch your accounts up. You made your money this morning already. I mean, look, if you copied what we did this morning across 10 accounts, you just made $1,000 this morning, right? Am I wrong, Paul?
Yes, easily.
4 out of 5 doctors say breathing is good. No, I like to breathe through osmosis.
Breathing, that's overrated.
I like to breathe through osmosis. You
Breathing's
got
for
this.
wimps.
You know, there's the breatharians
Chuck
out
Norris
there.
doesn't breathe.
No, the Earth. Never mind. I was gonna say. Oxygen saturates his body out of fear.
Right. Oxygen inhales Chuck Norris. That's great. Oh, man.
All right.
Old Chuck, man. This old Chuck Norris, that sucks.
Hey, Tom, can we make a voice channel for training? That's and then we're gonna have to make a level tag up for it, something, or I have to just do them for the people that are tagged. We got to figure out. Yeah, because I was trying to figure out like that way if people want to do paid trainings and these guys that I'm promised that I'll give them training as long as I'm doing this stuff. But maybe we do a new role. Maybe what do we call that role? What do you guys want that role to be called? We got paid member, we have trial, we have maybe be something I can add and take away role wise when I want people to when I'm doing training. Something like that. Does that make sense?
I don't know what that would be.
Oh yeah, we'll call it like, you know, training. We did. The rules say we should have been adding right there, but I did switch this account that I wanted to do it with. Getting sidetracked, people.
Wait a minute, are we getting in something here? Hold on.
I made my money and I got sidetracked, and I'm like, oh yeah, what's up fun today this morning? Huh? Okay, no. So I'm gonna switch this over to the account that I want to start doing this with. The only reason I use these two charts is because I got to keep this one on my levels, and this chart trader has some benefits to trading the MES and being on the ES. I just have to do it that way. So I use a different chart to add my contracts because there's a flaw in Joel's chart trader where you have to use an ATM, which is dumb to me.
Yeah, I've been asking him now for. Oh gosh, I can't tell you how long I've been telling him.
This chart trader is
Joel,
awesome.
please.
That's the one flaw. It shouldn't have to have an ATM. But
I told him, I said, not everybody trades with an ATM.
Look, I'm not. I don't need one. All right, so we're not getting new highs. At this point, we're not getting new lows either. So I still got to sit on the sideline. No new highs, no new lows. What do you do? Now we could go up and down and scalp this, but I don't do that at all-time highs because that's stupid. If we were way back down here. Jumping into a freaking training session here. Does the quack work? Does the quack work for me to start training? Talking? Tom?
I don't know. That's a question for Tom.
Huh?
Yeah, the tracks.
Okay. No, for real though.
While
So
you talk, I'll be right back.
my rules say that we should be adding here. My rules say we should be adding here. However, my rules also say no new highs, no new lows. Pause for a minute, and let's see what the market wants to do to get out of here. Even though we're clearly up, everything's up. At this point, you pause and say, "Hey, they need a deeper pullback." And I look at my line in sand today. So I have a major level here that was formed from all-time high yesterday at Globex. So this is what we're gonna call a major level. Also looked at the big tick chart. It shows that this is a bona fide major level. So when you add all of that up, you gotta say, okay, this is probably going to get a deeper pullback at some point, or I don't care. It can have a deeper pullback. I can start buying again from here, or it can break out from this swing high, which is also now becoming a level. And I knew that was going to end up being a level at some point. I just know exactly what it was going to be. So this is probably a better level. Here, we had price attracted to it this morning, and then it rejected Globex and intraday. So we know that there's somebody trading it. So it's got to be above this level now for me to start trading again, or below this level and stay below here, and things turn over to go short. As a matter of fact, really we need to be below this major level that I found on a large tick chart for me to really even start thinking about shorts. Because that, if it goes below this level and stays below this level, you also are going to have the 89 turning down and VWAP start to turn down. It's got to stay below it, not just go below it. It's got to go below it, come back, test, stay below it, test, stay below it. Then I can say, okay, when that tests, or just a straight linear move down, either one would give me the inclination I can flip my roll around and go short. The odds of that happening right now, not very high, but that's what I have to do. The now talking about trading this two ways with, now we're going to be up now, so we're going to start thinking about buying again. But to finish my thought process on this is that if I can't trade this in small, like so what I'm trying to say is, a lot of times when we get in range bound, I'll take every single wiggle down and up and just rack in profits. But you can't do that at all-time highs because you don't know where price is going to go. If we get back down here to a level that's way back here, okay, come back down to let's go to a bigger tick chart. We get down to something like this, where we got a tested level, price bounces around. I could do that. Same thing here. We have a tested level, couple levels. Price starts bouncing around. As a matter of fact, I did this the other day. I took profit. I was selling it though. Down, take profit, up, add contract, down, take profit, up, down. I did that 4 or 5 different times in that afternoon. You can do that when you have a tested level and you have an idea that you're gonna be caught in a range, and which we do that many times. But if you don't know that you have an idea that you're gonna be caught in a range, you cannot trade it that way. You have to stick to pullbacks or rallies and add and sell contracts. That's all there is to it. All right, now we can get back to getting in these longs. All right, same as before. We're going to load up again here. 93, 25. $93.25. Make sure that's the right account. Yep. And then, what time is it? Yeah. So, is that okay, Tom? Making a room, maybe call it training room or something like that, a voice channel, and then we'll have a role for it. Like the role would be, Did we ever get that dude logged in? That was trying to get logged in. What's his name?
Black Market or something like that. Blackwater.
Blackwater.
Blackwater or something like
I
that.
think it's Blackwater, Black something.
Where was he? He was in the member hangout.
Let's make the roll. Tell you what. Let's do it. Tom, if we can't get the voice channel made before 11:30, which is fine, no big deal. I'll just give David and Greg a freebie on this one.
Yeah, I was just gonna say it's just those two.
Yeah, we'll do it. We'll do it in a member hangout today. You guys cool with that?
So what did you decide on for a name for it?
The role, the room should just be training room or whatever.
Yeah, training room. I'd say just let David.
No, just for today, since I
let them do it.
Yeah, I mean they can do a coaching call with me. They won't pay the $99 for the coaching call, but
Yeah, if they want something more personalized, they can do that later.
I'm just recording today, guys. So you're just sitting in and taking notes today. I'm just recording. So, the role would be what would the role be? The role would be called trainee. I don't know. Uh, paid training, maybe.
Yeah, there you go.
We have paid members, so paid training.
Or just training access. I don't know.
Yeah, paid. Well, paid. We have one called paid member. Role called paid member. Well, just call another one paid training.
There you go.
Let's see. Yeah, paid member. I mean, I could always just use new role or something like that for today.
Mixing some trades here. Probably should pay attention.
Yeah. All right. So yeah. Well, I mean, for real, for me, I wanted the ES to give me some direction. Finally, like after this one, so after the big push down and this retest here of this level, definitely should have bought this level again. And that's on me. I was too busy running my mouth. But again, I'm also plenty green today, so I'm not like super, worried about getting something, When I get all my stuff done early, I can run my mouth and teach.
We're still inside the opening range.
I was just about to say we look at a Crable on this puppy.
Yeah, we're still inside here. So.
Well, if we get a new all-time high here, let me trade this. Okay, here, same rules as before. Get a new breakout on all-time high. I have a buy here, so let's put a buy stop in up there. I'm a couple 6-2. There we go. That should get filled, and we can always push. We can always fill back here. So this is my new level, right? So I like that. And then we got this is a bigger level now, so this should hold. So we should add back down here again at what was that? So around 93.25, something like that. All right, give me a trade on the NQ, bro. I'll take it.
Yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention. We already missed the long.
This is discount, so I gotta buy that.
At this point, I mean, I've almost got to wait for a break out of the Crable.
Do you?
I mean,
We just had the Crable on the ES. This is a long.
I'm talking about the NQ.
Yeah, I know, but this is a long, man.
I mean, but yeah, it is. If you want to get in late, we can.
It's I'm looking at the ES saying it's going all-time highs right now.
Okay, well, let's do it. I'm in
And
one.
I'm saying the NQ should be following it. Yeah, like don't
I'll
like.
jump in. I mean, it's not an entry for me, but I'll take it if it's at one of your levels.
It's a
There you go,
break up the
target off.
level, man. It's a
Target
I'm
off.
trying to tell you what's
Target
going
off.
on here, and nobody wants to listen to me.
I mean, I'm okay.
Trust my levels, bro. Trust my levels.
Bruh.
Trust my levels, bro. They work. All right,
I'm
so
gonna
my
get
next
the
one.
target out of the way because I want it to go all the way
I
up to
did
that top
too.
of the
I
range.
put it just under R1 where my next level is. Your target is
Problem with that is that's right at the break.
okay, fine. Then we
I
can
think, hold on.
we can take the Crable too, man.
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
700. That's there we go. 700.
All right. Well, I'm gonna take a target at 662, and then I can get back in at 700.
All right, I'll do that with you. I'll take it at R1. How about that? Just below
And
R1.
then put your stop up at 632, and we can't lose on this. It's easy stuff. Yeah, just I mean I know there's a level here. Goodness
632
gracious.
is like
Now we got a new level up here that we should be buying from. This should be it. I mean, but golly, man, this is one of those things where you might want to just put a stop in, and let it run.
printing money
So
today.
then, golly. Golly. So the one that we got multiplied.
How's that go, Tom?
Golly.
Nothing like a northern trying to sound like a southern. A Yankee
love
trying
it.
to sound like sound like Mayberry.
Now, if you want to be aggressive, there's an R1 to add here. I don't think we need it, but
Oh,
7502. $7502. And then 9925. I got my one account that I'm getting a little more aggressive with. Oh, by the way, Do you want to know how much the multiplied 4 is up this morning? 4 micro. If you done 4
Oh, that's
micros,
right. Yeah, I forgot about that. How much is that one up?
take a guess. And then we got 90.
Well, if we're up a couple hundred in each count, so times $4,000,
Yeah.
1,200.
No, it's that just under $900.
Yeah, I'm telling you that
900 bucks. If you'd taken every trade I took this morning, just one account would be up $900. Multiply that time with 4 micros. If you're taking every trade with 4 micros, all right. Well, that was a good shot on the long there. I'm gonna put a stop in here just because that's a sensible thing to do, just in case it comes back, and we can always reset it.
always take it again.
We can always take it again. Get your stop in there, and then we can always take it again. Oh, that's too tight. One tick off.
You can do it.
We couldn't do it. This is another. This again. My rules say if we get a structure and a breakout, you take the long if you're in one contract. But I'm not doing that in all-time highs. Not doing it. And it's got to be from a level. I don't know if this is a level yet. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a level because why did it stop here? But I can start. I can do a couple measured moves for you and see what it looks like. It's crazy. Cray. And these moves up, these all-time highs are just baffle me. Like you're sitting here looking at news. XI warns XI. I love saying XI. XI warns Trump Taiwan difference risk conflict. Senator Rick Scott delivered final blow to Iran. I mean, we have conflict and wars and trade crap going on. Inflation.
War is good for business, isn't that what they say?
But inflation, all this other crap, like they're just sitting there and in their little suits and Capitol Hill, and they're like, oh, nothing's fine. We can't even pay our own government employees, but everything's fine. Stupid. What this eerily reminds me of the pre-two. This eerily reminds me of the pre-2008 market. Now, knowing that this might be a new level here, where's my mouse? Get back over here. Come on, mouse. Way over on my other screen on the other side of Egypt. So, if we knew this was a level, this would be an ad spot here right around RM1. And I did have a contract there. Just don't like that the NQ didn't. Well, the NQ actually hit my target. It took my stop first, but it got the target.
I say let it come back. Let's get back in again.
I got another account over $100. Let's see this. I might just clip wings off that one because if it's over $100, I'm gonna kill it. It's working on it. All right, I'd be fine grabbing this contract from here. Be alright. It'd be alright. There we go. Come on down here, puppy.
Come on down now.
Come on down. The price is right. Unless I'm wrong, then that would mean that 93 price is right. Unless I'm wrong, then that means the 84 price is right. Either way, price is right for me. Maybe we should go a couple ticks up on this. Let's go a couple of ticks up on it. Like 99.75. That way we know we get filled before it ticks off again.
Alright, I guess we're at a funeral. Especially when you lose someone close to you. He's there to comfort her. Oh, wow, she's really sad. I feel so bad. What? Alright, I guess we're at a funeral.
Oh, it's gonna go without us. You want to get in? I'm gonna get in it.
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
Just told him.
Are you buying?
No.
Okay.
I
just heard I'm gonna
should
get
probably have a buy stop though above this level.
Right above that little level, that's what I'm thinking, yeah.
I mean,
You're gonna get your target if it's coming down.
that's fine. I'm still gonna put a buy stop in there. There you go. I mean, one way or the other. One way or another. Oh no! Don't do it. Oh no! The people are gonna start turning stuff off.
Okay.
Where's my earplugs?
I'm tempted to try since I'm up so much a short on this gold.
Oh man, Paul.
Don't follow me. Don't follow me.
That first one, here. Let people.
It came and bounced right off that level.
Let the people see what we're talking about here.
Came and bounced right off that level.
So, what we were talking about earlier is
It's making higher lows. I don't like that.
there was an orb this morning, open rank breakout, that came
gorgeous.
from what was it, 8:30, 8:20. So you had the 8:20
0.26,
right here,
0.26.
below, and it was conveniently below VWAP as well.
Yep, it was perfect.
We had that, and then the second one we talked about was this little structure right here.
Yep.
That,
And that one went bye-bye.
Yeah, that was the one that boop gone. So that's, I didn't take it. Next time we're gonna look at it. We're gonna keep gold in the background there because we've been making some money on it. So
So now, if it were to break below 93.8, I would probably take that short.
hey, it filled us. It filled us on this long here. Woohoo!
Oh,
Now the question is, since we're not really pushing up, do we take a baby target and just get flat again? I would say.
Yeah, 'cause I think we got some more retracement, looks like, right?
Yeah, let's shoot for the baby target there. It can always fill us again if it breaks out of the structure. So baby target here at 2. Let's do 2. 2 even. Never mind. All right. Never mind. It's gonna go without us.
94 even.
All right. Never mind. Let her roll. Just let her roll. Do you want to buy above this structure on the NQ? Like there?
Yeah, we could do that.
Should, there you go. Now we can get target this M and MES back here at the bottom of the structure. Since we get that little breakout.
Oh crap! I couldn't move my target fast enough. I mean, my stop fast enough on that.
Oh yeah, went up, grabbed it, came back, got my stop super fast. So we'll put our little baby target right
We'll
there.
get right back in though.
Yep.
I'll do it again.
I need to get back in that one.
I got here. Take that, pal.
Buddy, pal, guy.
Guy Fieri.
Buddy, pal, guy. No,
Fieri.
that's South Park crap. Canadian. So like they had what was it like? It was like when the devil was talking to Saddam Hussein. Hey guy, buddy. No, it was Hitler. That's what it was. Was it? No, it was one of the, yeah, I think it was Hitler. They're making fun of Trump being a dictator. No, nobody knows. South Park's funny. Hey buddy, guy, pal. We should have taken that target just a little bit lower, but it'll get our target here. Watch.
Target off on the NQ.
Dude, I didn't get back in.
Yeah, I got right back in when it took me out.
I did
Literally
not.
hit the buy button again.
I did not.
I just couldn't move my stop. I was trying to move my stop down below that swing and I couldn't move it fast enough. It came back and got me.
Well, there's definitely a little structure building right here, so
Mhm.
and that's how you recoup your loss. Look how
Play the ag game on this NQ.
I'll have to play the. I'm almost done for the day game.
I got one more trade in me, and that's the break in this gold. That's it. Then
If I
they'll
get
call
this
it
target,
morning.
man, get this target here. I'm get this target. I'm probably pretty good. The only question I have is, do you add one back here to get your fill price down and take a better target, or leave this down here to add way deep so you can get a pretty relaxed target up here somewhere? That's the only question I have on this one. I'm still not worried about this. I mean, I know the NQs hang around 89 VWAP, blah blah blah, but the ES is clearly just up, right? Like,
Yep, I agree.
and this is the other thing I look at too. So you gotta keep track of time of the day too. Go to a bigger tick chart. What time of day does this price get tired of its move? 1300, 1400. Right here, 1300, probably around 1300. Oh, on those big moves up, but again here, 12 straight move, so you can't count that. This one, somewhere around, that was the first thing in the morning, don't count that. Here, later on, 1400, that was 10. So somewhere around noon to 1300, you start thinking price should get a little tired. Here you go. Noon.
Oh,
Does this make sense to people? 13. This is 1400. That's again 1300. 12. Right at 1300. I mean, guys, anybody see a pattern here? Does anybody
Nope.
see a pattern in that? Anybody see a pattern? Use your brain thingies, people. Use them brain thingies. So, what did I just say? What did I just say? Price will probably get tired today around what time? Nobody wants to answer me anymore. That's fine. I'll use it to make money. You guys don't have to. Yeah, 13, 1400. Somewhere around lunch. Oh my gosh, really? No kidding. All right, I'm done. I'm gonna take this tiniest little profit as soon as we can get it.
yeah, I may kill this NQ2 just in a small green. Not worry
little
about
profit.
it.
We'll take the tiniest, teeny weeniest little profit on all my stuff here. Let it bounce up one more time, and if it pulls back, then I'm committed a little bit longer. If it doesn't, it takes my target, I'll put a stop in and call it a morning. Either way, I'm happy with whatever happens. One way. All right, I gotta go to the restroom. Be right back. Oh, there's our teeny
Oh, there it
little,
goes.
little tiny little target. Little peewee.
There goes the NQ.
Now it's gonna break out too. I'll be right back.
There goes the NQ. That's a winner. There it goes. That's how you get your money back. Get right back in. Take my money, I'll show you.
I've got a hard stop at 10. I've got a meeting right now. I am $419 up,
There you go.
and I got 2 runners at the moment, and I'm moving to break even.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A little over 1100 for the day. I'll take it. But I don't know. I'm in a gold short. Let's see what happens. I am short, literally right here. I'm at break even on short. I'm risking $100 max. It's either gonna work or I'm gonna lose 100. So I'm mad because I missed that short this morning. That was a beautiful break of the opening range. It's dumb. Totally missed it.
Okay, I'm out. $381. I'm shutting it down.
That's a good day, man. It's a great day. Getting more consistent, aren't you? Little by little.
Yep.
It's working. It is. You got to say though, it's much more relaxed trading, isn't it?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I mean, we're not. It's once you wrap your mind around this concept, you're just not. You're not taking huge risks. Yeah, there's losing days. That's part of trading, right? But go on, NQ. Let's go. Got to make up for this loss on N. I think I'm gonna lose on gold, so I got to make up money here in gold and NQ. I won't give gold more than VWAP. If it comes back up there, I'll cut it for small loss.
I'm back in on Sim.
Only 70. Only 70. But now you're chasing. Back in NQ.
Yeah. Well,
Now
because
okay, let's talk about this now. We got the opening range break here at 83.25. I think if it comes up here and breaks through there, you should get a 83 to 93. You should get a quick little 10. Somebody wants a quick little 10-point scalp. Quick little $100 if you do it with 4 or 5 contracts and micros. You should get a pop. I'm not saying you go much further than that before it comes back, but
yeah, I just switched to that. I mean, I would have taken it if I was still in, but I'm securing those profits for today. But because it broke that structure or broke that level again, so once it popped above that level that I drew for 962, and given the fact that it's bullish, that's why I would have jumped back in. Because it still
okay.
has room to go up to, I mean, at the very least, to the Asian low.
Right. That's why I'm saying you get a pop. That's where I'm coming up with the quick 10-point pop of the opening range. So 83, 93 pop. We should get through this now. Is this goes? Let's put 10 minis on here. Long.
10 minis. Woo! You go.
There you go. I'll do it in sim.
Yeah, I'm not.
Come on, gold. Yeah, just take a $20 loss and forget it. It just doesn't want to do it.
So now here's where I would struggle as it gets up to that Asian low is would I take that, or maybe take one of the 2 runners off and leave it there? I don't know that it's.
All right, here we go. See what happens.
Because there's a little pullback.
Got to break through here. Solid breakthrough there. It should go. Good go.
Who told me to take that tiny little target? What in the world is wrong with that person?
What
Was
do you
it
mean?
Tom? It was Tom. Tom told me to take a small target here on these 2 contracts instead of taking the right target up here, and it cost me.
I think it's Tom's fault.
Yeah,
It's my fault.
Tom.
I just assume it's my fault.
All right. then that means this is going to be this is going to be a bona fide level in the future because of why can I? All right, Tom, let me ask you a question. I'm going to add back there, and then I think we need to put a stop in on this again, just because if it comes back, we can take another profit. We can take profits on this. I don't even know what to say about this. This is ridiculous.
Break up there.
Do you wanna put a stop in here?
Yeah, do whatever you want to.
How many people took the NQ long with you?
I don't know. That was a good trade though. If you took it, you got back in when I got in. You're pretty happy right now.
All right, so smaller tick chart's getting a little structure here. Let's just put a stop in here. Oh, stop it. And if it comes back, I mean, we'll keep this safe. I mean, I don't have levels for breakouts to add. I mean, we could just blindly say add into a winner, but here's another reason, for doing it this way. Like, if you see, a strong level, like this, and price is pushing up, then I know it's a level already. I can take the breakout. I can't take the breakout when I don't know that's a strong level. Now that we got a structure forming here, I could probably say, yeah, this is a breakout up here to add, but wow, you can't add into that kind of winner, that thing, man. Now you could say probably add here, but geez, that's you guys didn't take the M&Q long with Paul, and it finally hit the new all-time high, didn't it? Nope.
You're sounding a little muffled to me.
Oh my God.
There you go. Never mind. You're back now.
I was just looking in a different direction.
Don't look away.
Well, I got this stupid neck brace on. That's probably what does it, because when I lean back, it forces me to look straight up in the sky instead of keeping my mouth down and my eyes up.
All right, here comes your breakout. 83 to 93 is what we said, right?
Am I doing it?
I mean, I'm still in from the below, but I'm just talking it through.
Do I do it?
I mean, it's a higher risk, but it should work. You should get a quick little 10.5. 83 to 93. But it's definitely a risk now. This is not your first trade.
Well, you know what?
It not be your first trade of the day. But you will get. You should get to that 93. That's one of those. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Come on. I'm holding for that 93. Come on. I'm holding for the 93, but I'm in, like I said, from way down below.
Well, crap. I should have been in that with you.
Yeah.
I didn't rebuy it. I was being scaredy cat. A scaredy cat.
I have another count if you want. I'll try a little scout. 83 right there. All right. Let's see what would happen. 83 to 93. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, God. I didn't mean to do that.
Go. Boom. Got it. 10 points. Quick 10 points.
Ugh, I didn't mean to press
Everybody
that
do it?
button. I was trying to put a stop in. Let's see if we get all the way up here.
Now
Man.
you get
Look
it
at
going.
this. This is nuts.
You don't go.
This is nuts,
I told
dude.
you. I told you.
Nuts. Nuts. Squeeze my stop up under this. Just tick or two here. All right, go now. Go. Get this one in. I need to get this account in something here. Now, I mean, we could be aggressive on this. Say, this pullback here would be a long.
There it goes now. Might break this.
Jiminy Christmas! There's no reason this market should be just. Wow!
This is just too
Wow!
This. Oh crap! Hey, my
I
gold's
suck.
back in profit. We're about to kill it. Now I'm gonna hold on to it. I don't care.
Dude. 186, 136.
I'm
Dude,
gonna hold on to
screw
it.
that. This is nuts. I guess how much that account's up now.
Oh, I know. I'm up $1,100.
This is
Almost $1,200.
no, just doing just doing 4 micros every time I add and take away on the MES.
I mean, you're probably close to what, 1,500, 1,600 bucks?
$1,600, bro.
I mean,
Are you
I'm
freaking
trading
kidding
micros,
me?
people. I'm
Four-
telling you, there goes my gold, people.
Four micros every time instead of one. $1,600.
Tom, Hutch, did you take the gold with me? Anybody have the guts to hold it?
Ridiculous. I might just get an account to.
That's what I told you to do. Remember, we talked about that
I
yesterday.
know, but now I'm.
That's
starting,
what I'm gonna do.
I'm looking at it. I'm like, I think I'm just gonna get an eval and trade four micros.
I know. I'm telling you because we've already proved concept. It's proven.
Oh,
We've been doing this long enough now to
there's
know
no
it works.
need of proof of concept on this, dude.
Without a doubt. So why not start scaling?
With more contracts.
But scaling within risk, right?
Right,
You
right,
don't
yeah,
wanna
yeah.
start doing- I'm not saying to start doing minis. But
Yeah, instead of my daily risk being $150, it's
yeah, make it $300.
$300.
Exactly. And now you doubled your profit daily.
Well, considering the fact that I've had 2 losing days in a month. 2 losing days in a month. That's it. How do I have every single account in a position? What? Oh no, never mind. Sorry. Now, in situations like this, I would consider ads into the NQ, M&Q. I would totally consider ads in a situation like this because the ES is not slowing down, and we just made a new all-time high on the NQ.
I mean, where I should have added was where at the break where we were talking about, we were playing around.
If you really want to do this right, let's put this on the account. I mean, we could say no ACO.
Guys, I'm gonna jump off here and get ready for my meeting. I will.
Appreciate you, Tom.
I'll create the room and get everything done.
Tom, if you get a minute later on this afternoon, can you look at that Whoop thing?
WAP.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
No work. No.
I don't even correct Paul anymore because I kind of like it. I just call it Whoop now.
What is
Oh,
it?
Whoop.
Whoop, WAP.
Most people pronounce it WAP.
WAP.
My ex works for them. I just found that out.
Oh, maybe that's
Yeah.
why they're messing us up.
No. She's a former teacher and she does all the teaching platform stuff for them.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, because it's based on, it was originally like an education.